हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में मैं 24 आवर्स ईटिंग KFC चैलेंज करने वाली हूँ एंड आई विल बी ईटिंग KFC फॉर माय ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर। सो अभी बज रहे हैं 9 o'clock एंड माई क्लास विल स्टार्ट इन 1.5 hours, सो वी विल ऑर्डर ब्रेकफास्ट। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड कि मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या चाहिए, बट सैडली इधर ब्रेकफास्ट में कुछ ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस है नहीं फॉर KFC। आई चोज KFC ओवर अदर फास्ट फूड्स बिकॉज KFC में एक्चुअली देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वेराइटी। यू ऑल्सो गेट टू ईट राइस, यहाँ पे रोल्स है, चिकन, बर्गर सब है। सो आई went with KFC. I've already decided what I want for breakfast. I'm going with a very light option because I'm not hungry and पूरा दिन मुझे चिकन खाना है. So I will start with something very light. I'm thinking of this is a new food option I've seen in KFC. I've never seen it before. This is the chicken roll. Oh, I think KFC will open at 11 a.m. because they are not taking order as of now. KFC doesn't provide breakfast, so we will be ordering this at 11 a.m. तब तक के लिए मुझे भूखा रहना पड़ेगा. I will drink my milk. That is it. So see you at 11 a.m. So I just got back from my class and I was about to order my breakfast, and I realized that these KFC people don't sell that roll anymore. It's already out of stock. It's 11 and it's out of stock, so clearly they don't sell it anymore. So instead of the roll, I'm ordering something else. So I'm ordering this chicken popcorn, which would be light and it would also fill my stomach, so I'll go with chicken popcorn only. So guys, my breakfast is here. It is actually now 12:30. I'm in a lecture right now, but I want to eat my breakfast. It is here. It's a very small order, and this is the bill. This one was for 100 rupees, so I love this one. This is also a favorite of mine. Let's eat. I'm in the middle of a lecture. Some sauce for this chicken. I love it. This is the first thing I'm having since this morning. I woke up at 8 and now it's 12:30, almost 12:30. Too good. Favorite things from KFC. इससे मेरा पेट भर जाएगा. And now I will order lunch after my class gets over around 2-3. I will rate this popcorn a 9 on 10. It's really very, very, very good. It fills my stomach and tastes amazing. So yeah, it does the job. And it's for 100 rupees. And I think it's okayish. A little pricey, but it's chicken. So yeah, I can pay 100 rupees for this. So now I'll see you at lunch. So guys, I just got done with my classes and now I will order my lunch from KFC. And this challenge is going good as of now. अभी तक भूख तो लगा नहीं मुझे सुबह का ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद, और मैंने क्लास के बीच में ही अपना ऑर्डर डिसाइड कर लिया था. I will show the screen recording somewhere. So yes, I will be ordering. I've already added it in my cart. Yes, it's tandoori zinger and fries combo. I'm not ordering Coke because I don't like Coke, and I'm ordering the smoky red one. So that is what I like about this, and I hope खाना जल्दी आ जाए. It says 35 minutes, but I think जल्दी आ जाएगा. Till then, I will do some college work. So guys, my dinner is here. सॉरी, मेरा लंच इधर आ गया. आई एम सिटिंग हियर बिकॉज बाहर बहुत आवाज़ था एंड मेरा भाई भी बाहर बैठा है एंड आई डोंट वांट हिम टू सी. नहीं तो मुझे बोलेगा कि मेरे लिए भी ऑर्डर करो, तो आई डोंट वांट दैट. इसलिए यहाँ पे हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे लंच की. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. आई विल पुट द फोटो ऑफ द बिल. दिस इज़ क्वाइट इकोनॉमिकल फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. आई फील KFC काफ़ी कुछ कम पैसों में मिल जाता है. लेट अस जस्ट डू द अनबॉक्सिंग. शूज़, फ्राइज, आई लव फ्राइज. मैंने इनके फ्राइज खाए थे नहीं है कभी, सो विल सी. दिस इज़ द बर्गर, लुक्स गुड. आई एम अ बर्गर फैन. ओके, आई लव ईटिंग बर्गर्स. और ये आई थिंक चिकन होगा और ये रहा सॉस. दैट इज़ इट. दिस इज़ द हॉट एंड क्रिस्पी चिकन. मैंने 2 पीस ही मंगाया बिकॉज अगर किसी को भूख लगे तो मैं घर पे दे दूँगी. और बर्गर में वी हैव दिस जिंगर बर्गर. एज यू कैन सी, लुक्स रियली गुड. आई विल शो यू क्या क्या है इसके अंदर. सब्जियाँ और चिकन. फ्राइज ट्राई करते हैं. Fries normal है, not that good. Burger, let's try the burger. काफ़ी चिकन ड्राई लग रहा है मुझे. Now we will eat this chicken and we'll see चिकन कैसा टेस्ट करता है. इसको खाए मुझे काफ़ी टाइम हो गया. मैं KFC अभी इतना नहीं खाती. दिस इज़ एवरग्रीन. आई फील इसका टेस्ट हमेशा. दिस इज़ गुड, वेरी गुड. आई लव इट. Burger was okay. I love this chicken. It's very nice. I would rate these items, okay? This thing is of course 10 on 10. This chicken is 10 on 10. The burger is very dry for me. I am a big fan of burgers. I will give it a 6 on 10. I will give it a 5 on 10 actually. It's not at all good for me. And fries को I will give, actually we can't judge fries because ये काफ़ी soggy हो गए. इनको हम प्राइस देंगे 6. We will give it 6 on 10. Okay, that is it. Lunch हो गया. I will meet you for dinner. So guys, I'm going out with my mom right now and I think I will order dinner directly from the mall where there is KFC. So I'll see you all there. तब तक के लिए I will shoot from my phone. It is currently 7:30 and now I will go and order some dinner upstairs. It's on the top floor. So we are going to buy food. I'm with my sister. There was this guy. तेरे को चाहिए सर? 149. 149 दो. I'm asking my sister to pay for me. So I'm back from the mall and this is my dinner for tonight. We'll see what we have here. I think you heard me giving the order. It's just a simple dinner because I'm tired of eating chicken now. I cannot have more chicken. This is a chicken rice bowl, chicken popcorn rice bowl, and we will be eating this, and it costs 149 rupees with taxes. So we'll eat this right now. I'm very hungry. This is filled with chicken popcorn and the rice is under this. I think this is a very nice dinner option for someone who's like me, who loves the Indian flavors. This is the best option. I love the chicken, I love the rice, I love everything which this thing consists of. For 150 rupees, I think the quantity is really nice. इसको रेटिंग देना होगा तो मैं 9 on 10 दूंगी because spice is good, chicken quantity is good, rice की quantity अच्छी है and it tastes good.
क्या क्या खा रही हो? बीजी ला नहीं सकती थी क्या?
So with this, I will end this challenge here. I hope you like this challenge, and if you have any other challenge in your mind, you can write them in the comments below. And if you want me to try some other food chain for 24 hours, I'll do it. And write your comments down below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.